This is my longest sit down ever. And then a damn Yaris fucks it up. Fucking Yaris. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to part 2 of today, which was part 1 was previous video, I think. Today we are gonna go hit some ramen noodle. Woo! Stay tuned, YouTube. It's gonna get crazy. Alright, so on the agenda today is first ramen noodle because we hungry. Been doing a stunt lot all day. Woo, woo. Stay to the left. No. Oh, shit. And then we're going on a group ride. So attention deficit did a surprise appearance here. He's down for a week. So we're going to go on a little group ride in his honor. And, I don't know, do some back roads, some wheelies and things. Stupid. Squad! Look at these fucking kids getting down. Look at these kids getting down. These kids are getting down. Look at the kid in the back.
You should give him a card to follow YouTube.
Yeah, he's straightened up. What? I'm not Dank Wheelie. I ain't fucking Dank Wheelie. I ain't fucking Dank Wheelie. On their way to smash some code red and play Fortnite. Dank Wheelie!
Oh, sorry, let's just call you Dank Wheelie. I'm not about that.
Stop. No. Give it. You got a Dank Wheelie sticker?
Yeah, you got one?
No.
Oh.
I'm not wasting my stickers on those fucking Fortnite players.
Let's put it right on their card. I need to give them a card.
Oh yeah.
Give them one of those.
Give him a card. Yeah, these like 4 stuck together from like 6 years ago.
What is this?
That's a card. Lewis making Fortnite friends. Alright, wooden ladle time. Thumbnail. Just get me like this. Alright, I'm ready. Let's ride. Blah, 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 blah. Shout out Zabfab. Shout out Zaffa. It's French.
Well,
Zaffa. Zaffa. Alright, YouTube, welcome back to a group ride. We got someone very familiar here, Mr. Attention Deficit.
Today, Junior.
Attention Deficit. There we go. And then that's like his whole family or whatever. Whole family rides Grom. He's the one that went in and bought 4 Groms off the dealership. Like, bought all 4 of them at the same time. Like, I'll take 4 of those. Anyway, so they're from Ohio, as you guys can tell. Ohio. Oh, hi ho. You get it. You want to do a drive-through tasty treat real quick? Alright, anyway, so we got Attention Deficit down here from Ohio. His girl, his mom, his dad, all on Groms. So if you guys don't follow him, check him out. Another Grommer. He went into a dealership, bought all 4 Groms at the same time, different colors. So that's pretty unique. I don't know, but I gotta do some wheelies. I'm getting antsy in my pantsy. Can't go to the stunt lot all day.
I'm hungry now.
You're hungry? Round 2? That Chinese went right through you. Oh, come up on me. We're in ranks. Stay in formation. Alright, I'm popping it up. Like this. Yeah! Well, they're hauling ass, man. Oh, it feels good though. You doing it? No. What's up, man? Hey! It's what's his face? David. That's that one kid with the Grom. David or whatever. Remember the fastest kid alive, the skinny kid? For all the donuts in Mexico. He's so light. Yeah, they wanted wheelies. You know, kids want wheelies. You risk a $1,200 ticket for some kids. Oh, Supra. Damn, sexy Supra. I don't see too many of those anymore. Sexy Supra. Damn, cut off sleeves. Sun's out, guns out. Got the monster shirt and everything. Damn, look at this. Honda! Woo! Scrape it. Oh shit, Amber! I didn't notice you had a handbrake. Come on. Get that bitch up there. Do a stand up. You got pegs? Come on. Oh. It's going up. Nope. She just gassed it up. We'll do some wheelies for those kids on the way out. Trying to get on some fucking Snapchats and Instagrams, you know? Hey, you got the kid on the beach looking. No scraping. I'm just trying to get on 1 or 2 Instagrams. Come on, old lady. There you go. Get that phone out. She was smiling. You see the old lady? Grandma's like it. Her Instagram's gonna be lit. Oh shit! Oh! Hell yeah! like, it's so like unbalanced. Oh, is that a Grom right here coming at us? I think it is. I don't know who he is. I think he said Glenn. I don't think I've ever ridden with that guy. Scoot! Scoot live! Woo! Oh shit, no, I'm crashing. Watch out for that rocking road. It's a squirrel! Oh my god! You almost ran this fucking squirrel over. Well, that would have sucked because I'm right behind you. Would have just went poof right in. No, you missed it. You went to the right of it barely. Oh, I would have got sprayed. Yeah, that counts. Just don't loop out because I'm not looking at you. Dude, I got the worst fucking cramp on the way back. I had to put. Oh shit. Whew. I mean, I guess it's kind of cool if you came down from Ohio, you get to see this, like, because it's like 2 degrees there and snow and shit. iPhone-tography. Throw back. Throw back. Oh fuck! They threw it on the wrong side. Almost died. He fucking threw it in like I was expecting it to hit the left side. Fucking drilled me to the right. Alright, there goes my coolest points. Sorry. Rock, yeah. I'll take a rock, thank you. Rock, mine. Yeah. You just threw yours? Amber just went through a mountain to get you a rock and he threw it in the ocean.
thought we were skipping rocks.
Don't fucking do it. Don't fucking do it. Ah, you bitch! Uh-oh. Big bags. Big bags. Oh. Look what Tanner's doing. Yeah, it's just gripping. Shout out Kenda. Damn, his Nikes are all fucked now. Peer pressure is the motherfucker! Woo! Stoppy on the grates. Stoppy right here. On it. On it. No balls. Stoppy. Oh fuck. Oh my god. I feel like your finger get caught in there and fucking bloopy. You'd be a 9-finger. Get out of here. You're trying to be all slick and shit. I can't. No, fuck you. I know what you're trying to do. Get the fuck out of here. Take your fucking shoe off. Get that. Oh. Oh, I wasn't ready for that one. Trying to get force up, keep them up, but they're so easy to like bring back down. Like they just get, once you lose them, you can't get them back. No, we share the road. It's like I'm a bicyclist, you gotta share the road. They're gonna hear you coming. Bike Life Sumo Squad. Oh no, what the fuck are those? Enduro Squad. Dual Sport Squad. Alright, Clearwater Beach. We're gonna take attention deficit and family to our #1 award-winning beach. Voted #1 by Travelocity 7 years in a row, 3 years in a row, something like that. Yeah, I mean, it's voted that good. Bike Life. Oh, there they are. Oh, stupid. That's a good picture. Good picture. Yeah. Getting those Instagram points. He's like, no. Ow. You gave me whiplash, man. Oh, we can't sit in this traffic. I'm bored. Fucking people are walking faster than us. I say we go all the way like this. Fuck it. Yeah. Well, we're right back in traffic. Is the roundabout this light right here or the next light?
Next light.
So 2 lights. Yeah, I think we should go this way and make it right. That's a cop right there. Jesus.
I know.
Oh my God.
There's your intro.
Huh?
There's your intro.
Yeah. That was so loud. I was not ready for that. That's why I hate riding at night. Like, I'm literally pulling in front of him, blocking him, and don't even know it's a cop.
Connected.